This message has been requested by your local civil authorities. At 7:30 a.m. local time, many disappearances have been happening in the forest. We recommend you stay away from these areas. Boop, boop, boop. This message has been requested by your local authorities. At 12:30 local time, many tree-like characters have been spotted in the forest. We guarantee you stay away from these areas, as these trees, if you spot one of these trees, you will indefinitely be killed, or worse. You can describe these characters by the following characteristics: glowing yellow or orange eyes, made of wood and have wood teeth, and very homicidal aggression. There have been said to have been 84 of these creatures, but it is said that these tree creatures will estimate. Please remain in your homes during this time of emergency. The police are on their way to the forest to do combat with these creatures. Do not panic. Boop, boop, boop. Civil danger for all of Chesterfield. At 4:30 local time, many trees have been seen walking away from their respective areas. It has now been confirmed that these creatures can walk and actually can grab victims and swallow them in one bite. It is recommended that you evacuate sometime soon, as an immediate evacuation notice has no possibility of actually airing. We recommend that you prepare. This is not a forcement, but it is recommended that you do evacuate. You do not need to evacuate at this time. You may not need to evacuate any time. But at this time, we recommend you evacuate. But this is not an immediate evacuation message. Beep, beep, beep. Your local civil authorities have broadcasted this message for you to listen to. Please listen to the following information. Boop. This message has been given out by local civil authorities. This is a food contamination warning for all of Virginia. At 8 a.m. local time, there have been many pieces of bacteria going into food. This bacteria will turn people into the tree creatures as seen in Chesterfield. This is a very dangerous situation. We recommend you put your food under a microscope before you consume it, as this bacteria is very easy to spot under a microscope. Please stay tuned for any upcoming information on this emergency. Boop, boop, boop. Contagious disease warning. Contagious disease warning. Contagious disease warning. Beep. This message has been given out by your local civil authorities. The bacteria that has been seen on food has now been even smaller than it has before. But now the symptoms are starting to show within the people who have consumed the food with the bacteria on it. Side effects are nausea, vomiting of blood, very dry eyes, lack of appetite, and strokes in some cases. We recommend you wear a mask and stay 6 feet away from anybody. If you believe that you or a family member has gotten this disease, we recommend that you go to the nearest hospital or doctor's office for treatment. Beep, beep, beep. All clear message. Repeating, this is an all clear message. At 1:25 local time, the trees have been successfully eliminated. The virus has now been given proper extinguishing. The virus has been properly extinguished, and you can now leave your homes. The mayor of Virginia wants to thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Beep, beep, beep. Thank you for watching.